We are reviewing the Barbie Glam refrigerator. It includes a lot of stuff like the orange juice, the milk, the 2 ice cream, vanilla and strawberry. This is like a tray or a cookie tray or an ice tray.
It's a cookie.
This is like a whipped cream.
It is a whipped cream.
This is the egg. And a cake with a shoe on top and a brown bow. And we have the refrigerator with a freezer that you can open and close. And then a refrigerator door. So we're gonna show you how to put the stuff in the refrigerator. They actually have 2 trays here where you can stick the stuff.
First put the orange juice. That's the orange juice. And first put the cake.
The cake, it doesn't stick, so you just have to be careful when you put it. That's the cake. It doesn't stick.
You first put
the eggs
there. I first put the cookie. Have the space there. Get some. Let's see. Oh, look, put this right here.
And the milk. You can put it in. You can put the ice cream in the freezer.
And is the got the whipped cream?
Oh yes, there's the one more thing. It's the whipped cream. And we're gonna put the ice cream on the refrigerator. It's a big refrigerator, so you can put some other stuff if you have some other toys.
Oh,
there it is.
and then here's the refrigerator.
So we're gonna close it now.
And here's the Barbie.
Close the fridge. The Barbie, it doesn't come with the refrigerator, but you can use any Barbie.
And they are sweet.
And there we go. This is the Barbie Glam refrigerator. And I hope you like our first review.